I'm Mahua again in front of you. So today I'm going to make
Arbi masala, and let's check out the recipe.
Why does it feel like I'm dreaming?
First of all, we need taro or arbi or gachi kochu. So this is the root of taro vegetable, and it's edible. So many of us in India known as arbi. So firstly, we need to peel off the skin and cut it in round shape and wash it properly with running water so that the muds and all goes away. And now I have cut all the arbis. For this recipe I have used here the small size prawns. I have used here one potato. It's optional. If you like, you can add, otherwise you can skip. So now we need to fry these vegetables in oil. I have applied here some turmeric or haldi and some salt, and mix it well, and we'll fry it in the hot oil and fry it till golden brown. While my arbi and my potato is frying, let us add some salt and some turmeric powder into our prawns. I have used here small prawns. It's optional. And I have taken here around about one large size onion and one large size tomato and make a paste. For the masala, I'm using here half a teaspoon of turmeric, chili powder half a teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of ginger paste, and make a paste with some water, around about 4 tablespoons of water, and set aside. By the meantime, my potato and the arbis have been done. Just one more 2-3 minutes, and it's done. So now I will take it out and transfer it in another bowl. And the same oil I'm going to add one dry red chili, one bay leaf, and I always use half a teaspoon of sugar before cooking each of my gravy. It gives a very good beautiful color, and some cardamom and one cinnamon sticks into it. And when the aroma of the garam masala comes out, at that time I'm going to add the onion and tomato paste and half a teaspoon of garlic paste into it. Stir it properly till the raw smell of the masala goes away and the masala releases oil from the sides. And now it's perfect time to add our masala paste, which we have made with turmeric, red chili powder, ginger and all. Mix it properly and cook it in slow flame till the raw smell of the masala goes away and the masala releases its oil. Add salt according to taste. I will cook this in slow flame till the oil releases from the masala and the raw smell goes away. And now it's time to add the prawns into it. Stir fry and cook it for another 1 or 2 minutes. And now I'm going to add the fried potatoes and the arbi and mix it well. Cover it and let it cook in slow flame for about 5 minutes. And cover it and cook it till more oil releases from the masala. Around about 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes, cook in slow flame. After that, add 1.5 cup of warm water into the kadhai and cover it and cook it till the arbis and the potatoes are boiled. It has been done. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee into it. A good aroma comes out. And this recipe is done now. It's perfect. You can serve it with roti, naan, paratha, rice, whatever you like, you can add. Please do try it and let me know in the comment section how did you like it. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel if you like my videos and press the bell icon beside the subscribe button. Bye bye, take care till my next video.
I'll take it, I've come to take it. Kingdom rise and